I think it's worth unpacking what we actually mean when we say it's hard to cook. Because if we're talking about being a gourmet chef or recreating something we saw on a cooking show, yeah, that can be really hard. But making a simple dinner, something like baked chicken, broccoli, apples, maybe a side salad, that's not actually hard. It doesn't take much time. It doesn't cost very much. And it certainly isn't harder than pulling through a drive-through or waiting on a food delivery app. So what is hard about getting dinner on the table night after night? It's not the mechanics, it's the mental energy. It's the preparation. If we wait until the moment we're hungry to think about what we're going to eat, it's absolutely going to feel overwhelming. Because now we have to decide what to eat, go get it, bring it home, cook it. It's not necessarily hard, it's just exhausting, especially at the end of a long day when we are already mentally drained. But it's not really about cooking skills. It's about planning and priorities. We plan things in life that matter. We don't wait until the first day of school sports and then try to schedule a physical. We don't land in Florida and then start looking for a hotel. We plan ahead because we value those things. Food needs to be the same. We don't value cooking healthy foods at home.